In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change site name on Wix. To begin, go ahead and log into your Wix dashboard. This is the main area where you manage your website settings, content, and overall site details. Once you are signed in, make sure you are on the correct website if you manage more than one Wix site. That will help you avoid making changes to the wrong project. After you are inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand navigation menu. This menu contains many of the main tools and settings for your site. From there, click on Settings. This will open the section where Wix stores the core options for your website, including information related to your site identity. When the Settings menu appears, select Website Settings from the drop-down. This will take you to the main settings page for your website. In most cases, you will land on the General tab automatically. If you are already there, you are in the right place and ready to continue. Now at the top of the page, locate the Site Name field. This is the area where your current website name is displayed. The site name is important because it helps identify your website inside Wix, and it may also appear in certain parts of your site setup, depending on how your website is configured. Click into the text box for the site name field and type in your new site name. Take a moment to make sure the name is spelled the way you want it and matches your branding or business name. It is a good idea to keep it clear and consistent so it is easy to recognize later, especially if you are managing multiple websites. Once you have entered the new name, move to the top right corner of the page and click the Save button. This confirms the change and updates your site name in Wix. If you do not click Save, the new name will not be applied, so make sure that final step is completed before leaving the page. That is all you need to do. Log into your Wix dashboard, open Settings, choose Website Settings, find the site name field, enter the new name, and save your changes. It is a very quick update and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. That covers everything you need to know.